Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to the channel where we make your everyday life a little easier and a lot more rewarding. Today, we're diving into how to use Chase Sapphire for Uber rides. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, whether it's the Preferred, Reserve, or another variant, you're in for some sweet perks that can save you money and rack up points on your rides. Let's get started. First off, why bother? Chase Sapphire cards, especially the Reserve, offer up to $10 in monthly Uber credits for rides or eats. That means you could be getting free rides just for using your card. Pretty awesome, right? But before you hail that next Uber, make sure your card is all set up. Step 1. Log into your Chase Sapphire account online or via the app. Head over to the benefits section. It's usually under Rewards or Offers. Look for the Uber partnership and activate it if you haven't already. This is key because some credits auto-activate, but others need a quick tap. Step 2. Open your Uber app. Go to the account settings, then to Payment or Wallet. Add your Chase Sapphire card as a payment method. Once it's linked, select it as your default payment for rides. Boom! You're almost there. Now, for the fun part. When you request an Uber ride, make sure your Chase Sapphire card is selected. After your ride, keep an eye on your Chase account. Those credits should apply automatically, offsetting your cost. For example, if you have the Sapphire Reserve, you might see up to $10 deducted from your statement each month. One quick tip. Always check for any promotions in the Chase app. Sometimes, there are bonus points or extra credits during peak times. And remember, this works for Uber Eats too, so your food deliveries can earn rewards as well. There you have it. Simple steps to leverage your Chase Sapphire for smoother, cheaper Uber rides. If you try this out, drop a comment below letting me know how much you've saved. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.